smoked artichoke and spinach stuffed portobellos on Smokin' and Drinkin'. Hey, welcome back to Smokin' and Drinkin'. I'm Mike, and today we're going to make smoked artichoke and spinach stuffed portobello mushrooms. Let's get started. All right, so for our artichoke and spinach stuffed portobellos, we have quite a few ingredients here. We've got our portobello mushrooms. We have removed the stem and scraped out the gills of the mushrooms. You can see that here. And we've got 2 cups of chopped spinach. We've got a cup of artichoke hearts quartered and drained. And we have some cream cheese. We have garlic, Parmesan cheese, lemon zest, and we have smoked paprika and salt and pepper. And then for a crispy topping at the end, we're going to brown some panko breadcrumbs. So let's get started with the artichokes. We are going to smoke those in our smoking basket with holes in it. And we are going to use some avocado oil and just kind of lightly spray them, and so that our seasonings will stick to them. We're going to add our half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and our half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we're just going to toss that a little bit, get them all coated real good. And then we are going to get them out on the smoker. We have the smoker preheated to 225. We're using cherry pellets. And let's get those out to the smoker, get them going. We'll have them on for about 20 minutes. So let's get them out there and get them smoking. Like I said, I've got the smoker up to 220, 225. And we're just going to get these right on there and let them smoke for about 20 minutes. Okay, while the artichokes are smoking, we're going to get the portobello mushrooms lightly oiled and put a little salt and pepper on it and get them out on the smoker. All right, so we're just going to, easy Mike, don't break them all up. I'm going to lightly spritz the portobellos and get them seasoned. A little bit of black pepper, get salt. We'll get a little bit on the other side too. I want to spray these. We're going to lay these up their cap side down, so you definitely want to spray them so they don't stick to the grill. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay. We'll get those out on the smoker. Let them go about 20 minutes. They should finish about the same time as the artichokes. And while that's going, we'll come back in and get the stuffing started. So be right back. Okay, so we sauteed the garlic about a minute until it was aromatic. Then we added the spinach and cooked that for a couple minutes until it was slightly wilted. And now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add our cream cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, our 1 teaspoon of basically the zest of 1 lemon, and our Parmesan cheese, And we're just going to mix that all up till it's nice and smooth and creamy. I've let the cream cheese sit out at room temperature for a couple of hours. It's nice and soft, so I don't like to microwave cream cheese. That's not really recommended. So I just like to set it out and let it soften at room temperature. So we're just going to get this mixed up till it's nice and creamy. Oh boy, it smells good. You can really smell the garlic in there and the cooked spinach. Artichokes and our mushrooms should be just about done here. I've got a timer going, so we'll add the artichokes in there and then stuff the mushrooms. So we got a couple minutes left. We'll go out and get the artichokes and the mushrooms back, and we'll get them stuffed and get them back out on the smoker. All right, the artichokes and the mushrooms. The artichokes have been going about 30 minutes, and the mushrooms about 20 minutes. So let's get the mushrooms off. And then let's get the artichokes, get back inside, and we'll get the stuffing put together and get them stuffed and back out on the smoker. All right. So we've got our stuffing. We need to add our artichokes to the stuffing, and then we'll get them mixed up and get them on the portobellos. Left my tongs outside. Oh, they smell delicious. Nice smoky flavor or smell. All right, let's get this out of the way. Get our stuffing mixed up real good with our artichokes. Boy, I can't wait. This is our dinner tonight, so Mrs. Smokin and Drinkin is patiently waiting as well. All right, then we're just going to spoon our stuffing equally on all three mushrooms. The recipe calls for 4 portobellos. However, at my grocery store, they sell them in packs of 3. And I think it's just Mrs. Smokin and Drinkin and I, so I think the 3 of them is going to be plenty. All right. Get these spread out real nice. Again, presentation is important. I always say it. We eat with our eyes. We eat with our eyes first. Let's put it that way. All right. That's pretty nice. So we're ready to get these back out on the smoker. We're going to let them go about 25 to 30 minutes until they're nice and the cheese is nice and melty and kind of a golden brown. And while we're doing that, we're going to brown some panko crusts. Panko breadcrumbs. That's what they're called. We'll brown those up as a nice topping for when we're serving. So let's get these back out to the smoker. All right. Just gonna use our hands here. Get these right in the middle. There we go. We're going to let those go about 30 minutes and we'll check back. All right. It's been another 30 minutes. We just browned up some panko breadcrumbs for the topping. That smells wonderful. Let's go out and get the portobellos off of the smoker, get them back in here and get a taste. All right, like I said, it's been 30 minutes. Oh, those look delicious. Oh, can't wait. Let's get them off the smoker, get them inside, and get a taste. Okay, there we go. All right, got our Portobellos in from the smoker. They are looking wonderful. Let's get a little panko topping on them. We're going to get them topped up here. These will give it a nice little bit of a crunch. All right, okay, let's cut into this and get a taste. It's kind of like a steak or a burger, bunless burger. I guess people do eat Portobellos instead of hamburgers or burgers or steaks. Kind of a vegetarian type of dish. Here we go. Oh, wow. Wow. So many flavors. There's each one distinct. The artichoke, the spinach, just a touch of garlic in there. Nice little crusty panko breadcrumbs on the top. And the Portobello kind of gives it that a little bit of a beefy flavor. And then the smoke, just a light, airy, little bit of smoke flavor to it. You know, I was a little nervous. I'm not a huge fan of artichokes and mushrooms, but I'll tell you, this is making a believer out of me. This is really good. I'm pleasantly surprised. So I tell you, I'm trying to expand my palate, and this one's a new one. This one's a keeper for me. So well, that about does it for the smoked spinach and artichoke stuffed Portobellos. Thanks for tuning in to Smokin' and Drinkin'. Remember to hit that subscribe and like button and hit the bell, notification bell, so you know when we have our new videos out. Every Sunday we release 2 videos. So as always, Prost!